For performing these operations, background is running SQL query. Right? Now, in order to call this insert, select, update, delete, what is required? We need a servlet. Correct? Here we need a servlet. Servlet with core Java conditions. It will call insert if insert request coming. Select request is coming. Update request coming. Delete request coming. Am I right? Now, front end, we have HTML forms. How many HTML forms? One form for insert, one form for select, one form for update, one form for delete. All these form requests are coming to where? Servlet to the core Java conditions. Am I right? Based on these requests, servlet call the background databases. This is what you learn up to now. Overview picture. This is a final overview picture. So end user access the HTML form and send the request. Based on the request type, servlet with the help of core Java conditions and switch block, then it will invoke the DAO methods, insert, select, update, delete. Then insert, select, update, delete methods, background execute, select queries on, SQL queries on database table. Database table return the result to DAO methods. Then DAO methods return the result to servlet. Okay, everyone tell me, servlet prepare the result as a text or as a HTML page? Servlet should present data to the end user on the browser as text or HTML page. Text వారిని దుంపలు దగ్గర ఒరే రాజేష్ HTML page na table, HTML forms, result, messages, boxes, text box. Tell me, who will prepare that HTML page? Is servlet prepare the HTML page? No. It forward that result to whom? Excellent. JSP. JSP content background what? HTML tags. HTML by HTML. It prepare the HTML page with a given result. Okay. In JSP, we have already HTML tags are available. In between that HTML tags, the given result will be substituted. Sir, how is it possible to substitute? That's what you have to learn JSP. Then this HTML page is written to servlet. Then servlet send that HTML page to the browser. And tell me, this HTML page to the browser is called HTML form or HTML reporter? HTML report. This HTML report contains what? Either success message or error message. Everyone got an idea what you did up to now, the notes? The success message or error message will be shown to end user. Now tell me, servlet contain what code? Servlet code is called request processing. JSP code is called response generation. So server side program, servlet and JSP, these two are called server side executing programs. What is the purpose of server side executing programs? For request processing and response generating. For request processing, it is using number 1 core Java, number 2 JDBC. Okay, servlet alone cannot work. It internally uses core Java and JDBC. Okay, all you people got an idea on the structure? Complete clarity visualization you got a? Paka? Now tell me, input flow we completed. Now we have to learn output flow. So we understood that servlet forward the request to the JSP. Now JSP should prepare the HTML page. Now let us try to understand JSP. Everyone ready? Is your brain ready for learning? Paka. Tell me how to develop JSP. First I want to learn how to develop JSP. Servlet completed. Now we are going to JSP. How to develop JSP? JSP is an alternative of servlet. Point number 1. It's not replacement, right? Alternative. JSP is an alternative of servlet for simplifying servlet development. If you wanted to develop a servlet program, server-side executing program, totally how many steps you are right? Number 1, package. Number 2, import. Number 3, class declaration. Extend from HTTP servlet. Number 4, overriding lifecycle methods. The most danger, preparing, using HTML tags inside out.println with a double quotes and plus combination. which is most horrible way of writing code. Why? Number one, typing is difficult. Number two, understanding is difficult. Number three, modifying is difficult or fixing issue is difficult. Finding bug and fixing it is difficult. 4, for every small change, we must compile, servlet and redeploy the entire project. Okay, redeploy the entire project. Then implicit objects will be destroyed. Right? And the fifth, most problem, HTML editor support is not there. Yes or no? Then tell me, this entire problem is nothing but what? Servlet development problem in response generation. Okay, servlet development problems in response generation. Then a solution. What is the solution? JSP technology. Okay, solution is JSP technology. In JSP technology, we no need to place package, import, class declaration. No need to override lifecycle methods. Okay, we can, very interesting point, we can place HTML tags directly without directly in the source code, source file, without double quotes, like in HTML file. Okay, like in HTML file, in JSP file, we can place HTML tags directly. Then HTML editor help we can get. Now tell me, JSP development, slow na, easy na? Come on, everyone. Hence, response generation with JSP is very fast. Come on. Fixing issues is very fast. So finally tell me, what you recommend me to use? For response generation, should I use Servlet or JSP now? JSP. Then final conclusion, people has taken the decision like this. Servlet for request processing and generating result. Okay, JSP for response generation and printing results. So this is the final conclusion, industry using the way. Servlet is used for request processing and generating result. JSP for response generation and printing results. Clear? This is the first section of understanding JSP point.